Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: fast ways to make money. Whether you need some extra cash or want to explore new opportunities, these tips will help you get started. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top 5 tips for making money quickly. Moving on, selling unused items online through platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace can turn clutter into cash. It's a quick and easy way to make some extra money. Our first tip is online freelancing. It's an excellent way to make money using your skills and expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your services in various fields such as writing, graphic design, programming, and marketing. Create an attractive profile, showcase your work samples, and start bidding on relevant projects. This way, you can quickly start earning money by providing services to clients worldwide. Our fourth tip is tutoring or teaching online. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and VIPKid connect educators with students globally, allowing you to earn from sharing your knowledge. Remember, consistency is key in all these methods. Stay dedicated, explore various opportunities, and in no time, you'll see your efforts rewarded with a stronger income stream. The final tip is starting your own blog or YouTube channel. With consistent, high-quality content, you can monetize your passion and reach a vast audience.